Greetings and blessings, my friends. I'm Zitmy, your medium. I'm bringing you a ritual today, how to beat that justice in court, how to turn that case you have into something that will benefit you instead of jeopardizing you in court. This ritual is very simple and actually very effective. The ingredients are 1 sweet fruit, 1 sour fruit, the egg white, only the white, not the yolk, holy water, 4 purple ribbons. Doesn't matter which material as long as they're purple. So you can see I have tied them here because we will need 8 knots on each and every of them. Obviously they come like this. They turn into this once we do the 8 knots. 1 white candle, and the knife is just the purpose of using it. Continuing, I want you to put your sweet fruit and I want you to cut it in half. Looking like this. With the other one, we're gonna change a little. We're gonna go ahead and cut it in 4 parts, but not cutting all the way through. I want you to leave that little edge where they're still tied together. It's very important for the actual ritual. Okay. We're gonna continue and we're gonna open it up like this. We're gonna grab the ribbons. Each ribbon is made for each slice of that sour. Okay, it could be any sour fruit. Okay, we're gonna tie them around. Preferably I want you to take your time. This is me showing you to tie it really tightly around each and one of them. Okay, and this one I had just showed it so you can do the 8 knots, which I have showed it there, but just to make you sure. After you do the 8 knots, and you will be doing them like this. You grab the point, and we tie. Then you grab a little bit further, and we tie. Like that, continuing until your 8th. Once you have your 8th knot, then we're gonna tie the same process like we did in the other side. Continuing, we're gonna get the egg white and we're gonna go ahead and place it in the middle. Always calling upon the God that's gonna help us. You know, to have that court see the situation in our benefit and our favor, always to end there. With the sweet, we're gonna go ahead and calm the sour. This is the intention of the actual sweet fruit. We're gonna place it all over the actual fruit. Continue, we're gonna go ahead. Until the ritual is complete, I don't want you to toss this anywhere. We're gonna place it around there. And we're always gonna finish it with the holy water. In all 4 parts. The candle is to be lit for minimum 5 to 10 minutes every day for the next 3 days. This ritual is intended to be done 3 days prior to your court day. So we're gonna light it up for 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna place it for the ritual to actually earn the energy that it's needed. After the 3rd day, you turn off your candle. And this is where we cut completely the actual fruit. I want you to remember, these is tight. This is just a demonstration for you guys, as tight as you can around each piece of fruit. The day before you go to court, I want you to wake up just a little bit earlier. In every single corner of that court, ending the court in the middle, that means we have the court here, we're gonna go to the 4 corners of that court. And 1 lice is to stay in that 4 corner in that courthouse. In order, you always asking, determining, imploring this court to go always and maintain in your favor. After the ritual is done, the court comes out fine. That is to stay there. You're not to remember that, not to touch it, just leave it. Well, my friends, I'm Zitmy, your medium, and I will be bringing you different rituals on a weekly basis to better your lives.